Welcome. Today we will explore on global awareness, preparing the next generation for a connected planet. In our increasingly interconnected world, global awareness has emerged as a vital skill for young people. The rapid advancements in technology, the growth of international trade, and the worldwide flow of information mean that events in one corner of the planet can have far-reaching consequences elsewhere. Preparing the next generation to navigate this complex landscape requires cultivating a mindset that embraces diversity, empathy, and responsibility on a global scale. Global awareness goes beyond simply knowing facts about different countries or cultures. It encompasses understanding how political, social, economic, and environmental systems are interconnected. Students who develop this awareness are better equipped to recognize global challenges such as climate change, poverty, human rights issues, and pandemics. They learn to see themselves not just as citizens of a single nation, but as members of a global community with shared responsibilities. Education plays a crucial role in fostering global awareness. Schools can integrate curricula that emphasize multicultural perspectives, global history, and international current events. Project-based learning, where students collaborate on solutions to real-world problems, can be particularly effective. For instance, organizing a project on sustainable development goals encourages students to think critically about global issues and their potential solutions. Similarly, foreign language education and cultural exchange programs help break down barriers and build empathy by exposing students to perspectives different from their own. Technology also provides unique opportunities to cultivate global awareness. Virtual classrooms, online forums, and international collaboration platforms allow students to interact with peers from around the world. These experiences help them understand diverse viewpoints and foster cross-cultural communication skills. Social media, when used responsibly, can further expand their awareness of global events and encourage participation in social initiatives, campaigns, and discussions. Developing global awareness is not limited to academic settings. Encouraging young people to engage in volunteer work, community service, and environmental initiatives helps them appreciate their impact on both local and global scales. Participation in international conferences, youth summits, and global competitions can also inspire a sense of purpose and connectedness. These experiences instill values such as empathy, critical thinking, and ethical decision-making, all of which are essential for responsible global citizenship. Ultimately, preparing the next generation for a connected planet means equipping them with the knowledge, skills, and mindset to thrive in a world where boundaries are increasingly blurred. It requires a commitment from educators, families, and communities to nurture curiosity, understanding, and compassion. By fostering global awareness, we empower young people to become informed, thoughtful, and proactive members of society who can contribute positively to solving the pressing challenges of our time. In a world that is ever more interdependent, global awareness is no longer an optional skill, it is a necessity. Through intentional education, meaningful experiences, and active engagement, we can prepare the next generation to navigate our complex, interconnected world with confidence, empathy, and responsibility. Thank you for your patience hearing.